Morning, all of you. Carbonyl compounds, Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. In this reaction, an aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde, undergo condensation reaction with aliphatic aldehyde which contain alpha hydrogen atom, or the ketone contain methyl ketone group in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide NaOH gives unsaturated aromatic aldehyde or ketone. This is called Claisen-Schmidt reaction. Now first I explain the reactions, after that one mechanism I will explain. Benzaldehyde, an example of aromatic aldehyde, C6H5 C double bond OH, benzaldehyde, undergo condensation reaction with acetaldehyde CH3 CHO in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide NaOH. IUPAC name of acetaldehyde 2 carbon eth single bond ane aldehyde ale ethanol. What happens, we know one H plus and one H plus O2 minus removed as H2O, and there is a double bond formed between two carbon atom, gives the product with the molecular formula C6H5 CH double bond CH CHO plus loss of H2O. The common name for this compound we know cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde is an example of aromatic unsaturated aldehyde. Aromatic unsaturated aldehyde. What is IUPAC name? When we give number 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon atom prop carbon-carbon double bond in aldehyde ale. Position of double bond 2. Third carbon contain 1 phenyl. So 3 phenyl prop 2 in ale. Come to ketone, acetone. After that we will see the mechanism of this reaction. Very easy mechanism. Aromatic aldehyde benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond OH condenses with the ketone containing methyl ketone group. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Acetone, dimethyl ketone, and IUPAC name of acetone is 3 carbon prop carbon-carbon single bond ane ketone 1. H plus O2 minus loss H2O. Now there is a double bond is formed between these two carbon atom, gives C6 H5 CH double bond CH C double bond O CH3 with the loss of H2O. What is the name of this compound? Up to this, we can give two names for this compound. One is benzalidine, acetone, benzalidine acetone, or one more name is benzal acetone. The IUPAC name of this compound, first I am giving the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon root word bute, carbon carbon double bond in ketone name end with one, not one, one. Position of ketone 2, position of double bond 3, fourth carbon contain phenyl, 4 phenyl but 3 in 2 1. Now I explain how actually this reaction takes place by a simple mechanism. Sodium hydroxide NaOH undergo ionization gives Na plus ion and OH minus ion. In step 1, the OH minus ion abstract a proton alpha hydrogen atom from acetaldehyde molecule. OH minus ion abstract a proton. This H is abstracted by OH minus ion as H plus. Carbanion of acetaldehyde is formed in the first step. CH2 minus CHO plus H2O. H plus OH minus. We will use this H2O in the last step. This is step 1. And in step 2, the carbanion of acetaldehyde in the second step added with the benzaldehyde. C6 H5 C double bond OH benzaldehyde is now added with negative ion of acetaldehyde, carbanion. Oxygen is more electronegative. It pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. It becomes minus. Carbon becomes plus. Minus is added to plus. Gives C6 H5 C 1 hydrogen O minus CH2 CHO. Second step. In the third step, we have to add a proton to this H plus followed by dehydration gives the product. The alkoxide ion C6 H5 CH O minus CH2 CHO is protonated. H plus OH minus. This we removed in the first step. The H plus ion is added to O minus ion at the same time. Now separate one hydrogen from the alpha carbon atom. C6 H5 CHO. This H plus is added to oxygen and separate one hydrogen from alpha carbon atom. CH2 CHO gives alpha beta elimination takes place here. Function group attached carbon atom H plus OH minus removed as H2O. This bond is shifted between two carbon atom gives our product cinnamaldehyde C6 H5 CH double bond CH CHO plus loss of H2O. This is your cinnamaldehyde. And this is the mechanism of benzaldehyde with the acetaldehyde. Now we are going to discuss about benzaldehyde with acetone. Same step 1, step 2, step 3. Sodium hydroxide NaOH undergo ionization gives Na plus ion and OH minus ion. In step 1, the OH minus ion remove a proton from the alpha carbon atom of acetone. CH3 C double bond O CH3 when treated with the nucleophile OH minus which abstract a proton and anion of acetone is formed. CH2 minus C double bond O, CH3 plus loss of H2O. In step 2, the anion is added with the benzaldehyde molecule C6H5, C double bond OH plus CH2 minus C double bond O CH3. Oxygen is more electronegative. It pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. It becomes minus, carbon becomes plus. This minus is added to plus gives C6H5CH, here one O minus CH2 C double bond O CH3. In step 3, we have to add a proton. The negative ion C6H5CH O minus CH2 C double bond O CH3, when added with a proton that is separated in the first step, the H plus ion is now added to O minus ion. Now that oxygen becomes OH. C6H5CHOH, separate one hydrogen from the alpha carbon atom, CH2 C double bond O CH3. Functional group attached carbon atom is alpha carbon, next carbon is beta carbon. From alpha beta carbon atom, one H plus and OH minus removed as H2O. This bond is shifted between carbon and carbon, gives C6H5CH double bond CH, C double bond O CH3 plus loss of H2O. This is your benzaldehyde acetone or benzol acetone. Benzaldehyde acetone or benzol acetone. Okay, thank you for watching. In this video, we discussed the Claisen-Schmidt reaction. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.